Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make New York cheesecake at home. Preheat oven to 325 degrees F and set a water bath ready. Soften cream cheese until smooth, then beat in sugar, eggs one at a time, and fold in sour cream and vanilla gently. Press graham crackers with melted butter into the pan, pour batter, and bake low and slow for a creamy, dense center with a slight golden top. Start by making a sturdy crust that supports the dense filling. Mix graham crumbs with melted butter and a touch of sugar, then press into a springform pan firmly. Chill briefly so the crust sets, then blind bake for about 10 minutes to lock in structure. This step prevents soggy bottoms and gives a crisp edge that contrasts the creamy interior. Cool slightly before adding the filling to avoid melting. Make the filling by beating cream cheese until silky smooth, then add sugar, vanilla, and a little flour for stability. Incorporate eggs one at a time, stirring gently to avoid overwhipping, which can cause cracks. Pour into your prepared crust, smooth the top, and place the pan in a water bath to moderate heat. Bake at 325 degrees F until the edges are set, but the center still jiggles slightly for that classic New.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.